GK train back up! Kashina, I don't wanna be Sergeant Diddy! Are you safe, Johnny? No! This shit fake decent! Yo, we low-key snapped. Hold on. Nah, it's like we're really camping though.
Except I don't have a tent.
Nah, it's cool. It's cool. Nah, you can sleep in. Nah, you can't sleep in my tent. I'm keeping it a bug. You could
I'm going to your tent.
Nah, please get away! Get out my tent! Stop! Get away! Get away! Johnny, stop! Get out my tent! Get out! Leave! Stop! I hate when you do that.
Grown ass man. Bring out a wolf. Where's the wolf?
What is that? Is that
what?
No. Get in the tent! Get in the tent! Hide! Oh my god! Oh my god! No, I forgot! No, guys, come inside the tent! Come inside the tent! No! Come inside! Hurry up! Before they get us! Before they get us! Get inside! Yo, close the tent. Close it.
Hold on. I sold. Fuck that shit. He can't see me though. Nah, I'm in a sleeping bag. That's a wolf. Nah, moose.
It's right there. Yo, Johnny, are you there?
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yo, bro.
Yo, Johnny, can you hear me?
What's going on?
Johnny,
No, the wolf's taking me.
Johnny, where are you? Johnny, are you okay? Johnny! Are you safe, Johnny? No! Johnny! Johnny! No! I will not let you get my friend! Bon guy! It's time. We have to do it. For Johnny Punani! Where is he? Where is he? Where are you? Come out! Ah! Oh my god, it's right there. Oh my god, it's right there. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. Ah! What if you look through the back? Check the windows. Check our surroundings. There's nothing here. If we're gonna prop up the window, we can't see. I just have to make it a safety right there. Oh no. I just have to make it. I will make it. They took Johnny, but they can never take my soul. There's no one here. There's nothing here. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? It's around here somewhere. I know it is. Let's move. Let's move. All right, bro, let's get back in the tent. Johnny, you good? Johnny, you good?
GK Trey.
Nah, I should let that little nigga kill you. I'm gonna keep it a buck. We're good though. Alright, bro. I'm gonna go. Get back in the tent. It's right there. Get in the tent! Get in the tent! Get away! Get away!
Oh, I thought I could join on my phone and it would still show. Ah, man. Oh yeah, by the way, I thought we lost you, Johnny. That was a close one.
Thought we lost you, bro. Oh, damn.
Yo, Moose.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah, Johnny, where are you? Johnny, is that you? You're alive?
Oh no, he's taking me. He's taking me.
No, Johnny! What the? Who's taking you? Who did that to you? No! Johnny! Nah, not Johnny! He was a good kid. I swear he was. Oh.
I'm here. No. I'm here. Oh shit. Yo, I'm here.
They're attacking! No, GK Trade, back up! Kashi, no, I don't want to be Santa Diddy! No! This is my last message. Just know, I went out like a soldier. Ah!
Did he just get GK Trade? Moose? Yo, Moose. Moose.
Yes, what's up? Yes, bitches.
Oh my goodness. What just happened?
Yes, I'm back. Yes.
What's good, Moose? Is this Moose?
What's up? It's not. Yes, bitch. It's Death Moose, bitch.
Oh my god, this is Moose.
What's up, bitch ass?
My goodness. What did GK Trade just do to you?
What you talking about? Let's roast these marshmallows. Yes. Purr.
We just roasted marshmallows, right? $30 old, by the way.
I'm not 30.
Nah, I'm just kidding. Nah, that was a good, yo. That shit was amazing, yo.
That was like.
How the? Hold on. You should do what Ron does and make potions. Ooh, it's not bad. Nah, I already stole Ron's JP. Now it's my JP. So I think camping segment is vaulted. What the is going on, yo? Where am I? Seems like I'm in a crazy place.
Oh, I got you.
Going on. If y'all are hearing this message, please send help.
Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, like 3 more seconds. Hold on.
Where do I go?
I got you. Let's keep role playing.
I'm running.
I bet.
I'm running. What am I running to?
You hear that?
I'm in the upside down.
Why do I have no perms? Oh, I'm in Johnny's server. There we go.
Wait, play the Stranger Things music.
Oh shit.
Hurry up. Action.
Yeah, I can't kick it, yo. You gotta skip it. I can't skip it.
I have bleed. You don't have to use that.
The fuck is a bleed?
Oh my goodness.
You got I'm old.
Holy shit, where am I?
Oh shit.
Yo, what's going on?
Chat, who the fuck is this?
Yo,
What the
I'm running.
Are you from the future? Who are you? What'd you do to Johnny? Who are you? Oh my god, he's so fast! He broke my
Demogorgon behind you?
Run! Run away! Behind you!
What's going on?
Oh! Oh my god. Is Johnny in the upside down? Upside down at 3 a.m. Why are you twerking upside down?
I'm in the upside down. What's good?
Hold on. I'm gonna enter the time machine. I wanna see if I could trade places with my future self. Bring her back. Wish me luck. If you don't see me, stay swaggy. It's time. I must go back. I must save the future. I have to. It's my only duty. I must save future Moose. My pants. I gotta save future Moose. Wish me luck. If I never see you again, it's been nice knowing you. Close. Oh, Diddy, stop touching me! Diddy! No!
Did you just the Demogorgon?
Am I back? Johnny, is that you?
DK Train!
The future isn't what it seems, Johnny. It's all an illusion. What are you doing?
Oh my goodness. So like
Oh, you're like too much.
that might have been the most corniest shit I've ever did. Now, would that ever start our acting career? No.
Oh, give me 2 seconds. Hold on. I need this. Hold on. Give me 2 more seconds. No, I can't. I don't hear nothing.
You have to do a comma play. Now that might have been the worst.
No! No, get away! I will defend the timeline! No! No! No!
Oh, what's happening to me?
No!
What's happening to
I
me?
will defend it! I will defend the timeline! Oh, they got me! They got me! I'm dead.
It's a alien. Oh my goodness. Yo, it's invading us, Moose. Look.
I don't need to shit, bro.
This nigga got it, bro. Is that the end of segments?
That's just chain. I'll give you 100 subs.
Give me that shit.
Unsnatchable.
It was mad hot.
Yeah, that was kind of one of the worst segments. Moose, get up.
I just
I
spent
forgot
my
to put on deodorant. Hold on.
question mark. Nah, I just spent my entire stream role playing. Nah, this is